Welcome to Future Scholar Network, where we explore both the promise and the pitfalls of tomorrow's learning. 1. Loss of human connection in classrooms. As AI takes over teaching roles, students may miss out on empathy, mentorship, and the emotional depth of human educators. 2. Over-reliance on technology. Dependence on AI tools can weaken critical thinking and problem-solving skills, making students passive recipients of information. 3. Data privacy and surveillance risks. AI systems collect vast amounts of student data, raising concerns about privacy, consent, and potential misuse. 4. Bias in algorithms and learning outcomes. AI can unintentionally reinforce social, racial, or gender biases, leading to unfair assessments and unequal opportunities. 5. Reduced teacher autonomy. Educators may feel pressured to follow AI-generated recommendations, limiting their creativity and professional judgment. 6. Digital divide and inequality. Students without access to AI-powered tools risk falling behind, widening the gap between privileged and underserved communities. 7. Mental health and screen fatigue. Constant interaction with AI and screens can lead to isolation, anxiety, and reduced attention spans among learners. 8. Job displacement in education sector. AI automation threatens traditional teaching and administrative roles, creating uncertainty for educators and staff. 9. Loss of cultural and contextual nuance. AI may overlook local values, traditions, and educational philosophies, leading to a one-size-fits-all approach. 10. Dependency on unverified AI content. Students might rely on AI-generated answers without questioning accuracy, weakening research habits and intellectual rigor. Thanks for watching. If this video sparked reflection, give it a like, subscribe to Future Scholar Network, and stay tuned for more deep dives into education, philosophy, and history.